Hey guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dares to DIY, and I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first visit to my channel, I want to say a big hello, or if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back, my friend. I am really super excited about this next series, y'all, because it's a Halloween series, but it's also a Pottery Barn inspired. I'm not going to call it a knockoff because it's not exact, but it is definitely Pottery Barn inspired, and I can't wait for y'all to watch this series. I did decide to do this in short little videos versus grouping them together into a longer video. So I hope y'all enjoy this, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And if you are not already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. That's going to give you every single time you're going to get a notification when I upload a new DIY. So keep watching, y'all. I hope you enjoy this series, and if you do, share it with your friends because that's what good friends do. We share things we love with our friends. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, next up on our Pottery Barn Inspired Halloween series that we're doing, we are going to be duping the skeleton head spider that was on Pottery Barn Teen a couple of years ago. Now we are going to need this cute little spider that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like a candle holder or something. I'm not sure. And do you remember I told you that we would be using the bottom piece to the champagne flutes from our previous project? This is why I said save this. And we're also going to need some creepy cloth in black. They also had the creepy cloth in white, but I kind of like the way the black. And then we need one of our skull heads that we used from Five Below. Now I did not get these at Dollar Tree. I got these at Five Below, and they were four for $1.50, and we used these in our condiment tray project. So if you missed that project, you should go check that out. Okay, so we've got our glue gun plugged up, and we're not going to glue the top down from our, or actually this is the bottom from our champagne glass, because we're going to put a little battery operated tea light in there just to give it a little bit of a glow. I think that'll be kind of cool. And we're going to just take some of our creepy cloth here, and we're just going to cut us a little square. You know, it's kind of hard to cut, but we're just going to go in. We're going to cut a little square here. And you may have to fix your legs on your spider. That's the great thing about these. They bend. Okay. So we're just going to kind of place our creepy cloth. And this is definitely not an exact dupe. This is more of an inspiration. That little spider from Pottery Barn Teen was so stinking cute. And you know me, I'm not going to pay that much for it. So we're just going to kind of gather it a little bit, because the one from Pottery Barn Teen is kind of gathered. It kind of looks like a little dress almost. So we'll just kind of gather it a little bit. And then we're going to take our little skull. I'm going to put us some hot glue down. Be careful and don't burn your fingers. Oops. And y'all, we're just going to stick our skull right on top there. Isn't that hysterical? I don't know why I think these little spiders are so cute, but they are. I think they're adorable. Okay, so we'll let this dry. And because we glued it down to our cap, then we can take it off and it's not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt our little tea light. So we can just pull that off and cut it off and on. So we may need to put a little bit of more hot glue. Inside here. Because of the way the little stem kind of concaves in, that didn't stick very well. But no worries, we'll just put a little more hot glue on there. Gosh dang it. stay. Okay, so now you can just cut it on, stick your little tea light back down in there, and this quick little project is done. Isn't that cute? I just think it's adorable. It's just something cute and fun to set around on our table. It's just, you know, for decoration, not any purpose except for decoration. So, yeah. I'm probably going to make 2 of these guys if I have enough skulls left over, because I do have an extra one of these little spiders. So I'm going to make 2 of those. Okay, now for our next project, I'm not 100% sure that this is a Pottery Barn knockoff or a dupe, but it is definitely inspired by Pottery Barn. I've seen something similar on Better Homes and Gardens with their with some of their Halloween decor this year, and it totally goes along with the Pottery Barn look. So we're going to take another one of our glow-in-the-dark skeletons, and we're just going to give them a nice coat of black spray paint like we did in the other tutorial that we did. And we're also going to need one of these crystal clear bowls from Dollar Tree. If you want to, you could paint this white. You could paint your skeleton white, but I thought this would look really nice with our the skeleton that we're going to have in our galvanized tub. So this will give me another black skeleton, something besides just white. So he's all dry, and we're just going to take our glue gun, and we just want to kind of, we just want to kind of cross his little bones here. Not quite at the ankles. And the fun thing about these little skeletons is they're posable, so you can really make them pose, or, you know, do whatever silly pose you want them to do. It's totally up to you. I kind of like their little feet to be a little sideways. I'm probably going to put a little bit of glue there just so I can make it stay there. And if you want to glue him, if you want to, oops, sorry buddy. If you want to glue them before you paint them, you can totally do that, but I did not. Okay, so we'll just stick another little dab of hot glue in that little ankle. I just want his little feet to stay where I want them to. Okay, now our bowl is just going to sit right on his thigh bones. And look how cute that is. All we're going to do is put a little bit of hot glue to make his hands hold. You could also use E6000, but I may not leave him on here. I may want to, you know, I may decide I want to take him off. So I don't want that much of a permanent adhesive. So I'm just going to put him on with a little bit of hot glue. I think he just looks so cute sitting on top of this crystal bowl. And look, he's all done. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put candy in him for my party. We are just gonna have such a fun time with him. I'm not gonna glue his head down. I may decide I want him looking this way or that way or whatever. So yeah, this project is done. This was another 5-minute project, but you know, and it was $2, a $2 project. The one that I saw in Better Homes and Gardens was actually like $75. So this is a great dupe. Like I said, not exactly Pottery Barn, but definitely Pottery Barn inspired. So I hope y'all enjoy this look, and I will see y'all tomorrow.